Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here at Black Stag Styling for part 3 and the final part of the styling to the Nissan Navara NP 300. Hopefully you've already watched part 1 and part 2. If you haven't, do get on the channel and watch them first, and that'll take you through everything we've been doing, because there is lots of styling we're doing to this, from the ultra wide arch kit, the hydro dipping, the light bar, the wheels, brake caliper painting, so lots and lots of bits and pieces. So get on the channel and watch part 1, part 2. I'll put the links above now, first of all, then crack on with part 3, where in this part, like I say, final part, we're doing the final bits and pieces, getting everything fitted that isn't already finished being fitted, polishing, and then of course the final look around the vehicle, a few runs with the vehicle just so you can see what it looks like when it's being driven, and then we will be all done. So don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on your notifications and stay up to date with everything we're doing. We're going to get this into the not into the workshop, finish this in the workshop now, get everything done, and don't forget, give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. Here we go, roll the intro, let's get cracking with the last bits. Happy days.
Hey, look at all of this, look. We are now fitting the last piece,
Look at that.
Last piece of the camouflage yellow. Once it's in, it really is like camouflage, can't really see it.
I hadn't actually. Have you done some other bits, have you?
Yeah, I've done some bits around here. I don't know if you've made them out.
Yeah, I think you're
going
to have to
see that.
You're going to have to point them out. I hadn't. Have you done
and
something? Have you done something different with that centre console?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit. Now you mention it, I got a little bit of a cup over here.
I can see it.
And I got some around here.
I can see it now.
And this last bit, should we fit it?
Yeah, man. Let's do it.
Let's fit it.
Let's do it, Stuart. Well, it's not Stuart. It's Alan. Here he goes.
It's quite hard to fit. It's quite hard.
Booyah!
Bong. We're there, mate.
Lovely, jubbly. Looking very camo.
It adds a little bit of vavum. We've got bits in the back too on the doors.
Oh, we'll have a little look
on the door handles.
I didn't see you got on the steering wheel as well.
On the steering wheel here, look.
Let's have a little look at the steering wheel.
Yeah, I had to take the airbag out. We removed that. Removed that. Hydro-dipped it. Put it back.
Yeah, man, looking smart. We'll have a proper look at the end because we've got to clear it all up and give it.
Yeah, we're in a little bit of a mess here, but you know,
we're getting there, pal. We're getting there.
Yeah,
lovely. Is that all in then?
That's all there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
all in. Got a bit on the door card as well.
Rob's just finishing the wiring off of the old light bar.
The light. Can't really see. I don't know what I'm looking up there. We can't see it. There's a sunroof.
That's up there.
Light bar up there. Look. There it is.
Anyway, I've got there now. I've got a private call.
Oh, private call? Is that Lizzie?
Private call's Elizabeth, yeah.
Oh, look, that's the wife. The wife's ringing him.
Yeah. Hello, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth's going on our YouTube channel.
One of our YouTube videos.
Right in the middle of filming.
Yeah, what have you got to say to the thousands of people out there watching? Oh, don't put her on the spot.
Oh no, don't.
She's gone very camera shy.
Oh, okay, she's gone camera shy. Right, yeah. Well, we'll leave Adam at that point.
Thank you very much.
Chat with the wife.
To see you all.
Take care now. Bye now. Right, we've now finished installing the light bar. Here it is. Look, done all the relevant wiring. Well, Rob has got all the wiring done. We've got a switch inside the cab. Hello, Rob.
Hello.
And Rob's just going to point out where the switch is.
The old ejector seat.
Just down there. There we go. Right, let's see it working, shall we, Rob? Da-da-da. We won't blind everybody. Give it a little on and off, mate. Lovely. On and off again. So even in daylight, you can get a good idea with how bright they are. But, you know, obviously a lot better at night. So yeah, arches are all on now as well. We've just got to final check all of them, and then it'll be wiping all the sealer. We'll put the sealer in, wipe it all round just to make sure they're fully sealed around the edges. Tommy's just finishing bits off on the back, and then we're on the final little bits, aren't we, Rob?
Yeah, final hurdle.
Look at that hydro dipping. 30 pound.
I'm now ractor coating the inner arches just to prevent stone chips. What we do is put a little bit on our special rolling tool.
Yes, I see.
And then we just
Your
roll
homemade
it in.
rolling tool.
I've got a very, very good looking assistant helping me today.
Have you?
No, Josie's over there.
So I roll it in, he comes around and just neatens that edge up.
That's literally how we roll.
Come on, get in the camera, don't turn me.
Let's have a little look, shall we, before Tommy
Yeah,
gets in
have
there.
a little look.
I don't know if everybody see a lot, but there's no coat with the black Raptor. All on the inner sections of the arches. If you just about see that. Give it plenty of protection. Give it plenty of protection.
Tommy, you getting this up?
I'll show you the front one if you can just about see inside there. So the inner sections, the arches are all coated with it. And then when the stones fling up, it won't chip the paint off. So just give it an extra bit of protection. Isn't that right?
Yes, that's correct.
And then, and then Tommy's just cleaning just on the very edges, isn't he, mate?
Oh yeah, babe.
Just to keep it nice and neat and tidy.
Yep.
Lovely. Lovely, well done. And then there's Josie off to the left. Look, it's just polishing some chrome. Well, chrome bits now been done in gloss black, ready to go back to a customer. And then we've got all the other bits.
Go on,
Ad's gone round the edges and
go on, Josie. He's prepping.
Ad's just having a little sing song. And yeah, Ad's just gone round and sealed round the edges of everything, so all around the arches. You probably can't really tell. It's just to give it a.
Don't bother now.
Oh, don't be like that. I just mean you've done a good job.
Hour and a half that took me.
Just mean you've done a bloody lovely job.
I didn't really notice it.
And the same round the bonnet scoop as well. Now been polished and all look lovely. You've done a bloody lovely job, mate.
Thank you.
Done a really lovely job.
I don't want to take all the credit because all I've done really is finish it off.
Well, you
My
know,
man Tommy over there's done a lot of this.
them final bits that count, isn't it? That right, Tommy?
Yeah.
Oh, hello there. Morning.
Good morning.
Right, we are now getting the Black Stag Edition decals onto the Nissan Navara. One of the last jobs to do. We've just also got one to go on the rear tailgate, but which you'll get there in a few minutes.
Yeah, that should look smart. That's the Black Stag one on the back, and this is the Black Stag Edition one's going on. Josie's just helping Ad as well.
Should be right now, Josie. Should be alright. Thank you for your assistance.
Is that all you had to do, Josie?
All I have to do.
Was that it?
You got the easy bit, didn't you, boss?
Were you the glamorous assistant this time, were you?
Exactly.
I'm still the glamorous one.
Sorry, mate, yeah. Ad's still the glamorous one.
I'm still the glamorous one here.
Right, so yeah, Ad's wet it all up, get it all on so that he can move the Decal around if he needs to. I'm sure he won't, he'll have perfect
Right, look.
lined up.
Did you see it?
Perfect.
Did you see it?
I know what you're doing, don't
Oh, when that's. Oh, look at that, hey? That was just Josie's help, that bit.
you? Yeah, I think you're right, without a doubt.
Couldn't have done it without me.
Couldn't
No,
have. No.
couldn't have done it without Josie's help, but... Right, we'll have we'll have a look at the other side, Ad, whilst you're doing
Oh,
that.
the other side's on, mate. Gooey boots.
We'll have a little look. Rob's in the process of doing the Predator bumper on one of the other trucks. And that's a walk in the park, isn't it, Rob? Easy, isn't it? He's only been on it 10 minutes, look, and he's already got it on the vehicle. Well, 10-ish minutes. 10 hours, yeah. Right, let's have a look at the decal on the other side. You can see it. There it is in a matte black. Running along the vehicle. It's like a broken stripe section at the end. We have got our Black Stag Edition decal, which will go on here, which we will show you when that goes on in a little while. Right, we'll
Ducks are swimming in the water.
you know it, bonnet scoop. Oh, that looked good, the old bonnet scoop, didn't it? We'll leave Ad cracking
We've
on.
come for the reveal. We've got a bit of a reveal around here.
Oh, he's got his reveal. Don't know what he's revealing, but I like that.
Look at that, hey?
Hi guys, and thank you for checking out another one of the videos here at Black Stag Styling. It's been an absolute pleasure to have this in. This is for a good customer of ours and friend of the business, Kieran. So we've had in with us his Nissan Navara NP 300 for one of the biggest sort of styling jobs with the trucks we do. So we've done a lot of bits and pieces to this. It's been with us about 3 weeks, roughly, because of all the stuff we've been doing. We'll start with the little view around the truck. Like I say, the Nissan Navara NP 300, big difference now from what it started off as. And then starting at the front of the truck, we have got a new grille that we've done in the gloss black. It's got the Nissan writing in the red. It's got the little driving lights that light up with the DRLs. So when he's driving at night, or they'll all light up anyway. We've also then got the lower city bar with the little axle plate as well. That's been put onto the vehicle. We've got of course, on the bonnet, we have our bonnet scoop, also been done in the gloss black, fitted, bonded, of course, onto the vehicle, so that is not going anywhere, using our primer, as you've seen in the video. Then let's move down the side of the truck. We've then got I'll tell you what, actually, we'll start with the underside. So we've fully prepped it with then black wax soled the underside. We have then added the Pedders suspension. This is 1.5 inch lift, but it also improves the suspension as well. Much better suspension set up with the dual cell technology. 1.5 inch lift, proper decent stuff, the Pedders. So give us a shout for any of that, happy to help. That of course then leaves room for us to add our ultra wide arch kit that's been test fitted, cut, the relevant bits and pieces adjusted and moved, then of course all painted body colour, then fitted, bonded and bolted onto the vehicle of course as well. We then added the Hawk Denali gloss black alloy wheels. These are 20 inch with the mud, sort of all-terrain mud tyres. Just finished that look off, and of course just behind that we've got our yellow brake calipers. So they've been done in the heat resistant yellow paint, just adding that nice sort of touch to the rest of the vehicle. We've also repaired and painted the tailgate. That had a big scratch across it, so we've done that for Kieran as well. We've then added our Black Stag decal to the back of the truck as well. We've done the side decals as well, so we've got our side stripes as you saw with our Black Stag Edition decal as well. Just finishes that look off to the side. We've then done the rear handle and the window scraper mouldings in the gloss black as well. Then moving, I think, I'm just trying to think, oh, we've got our roof light bar, of course, as well. Awesome bit of kit these are, on a switch on the inside of the truck, so you can switch it on and off as he wants. They're awesome now. We do a number of different light bars, light additions, so give us a shout again for anything like that. And then it takes us nicely to the inside. So Kieran has chosen something a little bit different. We know it's not going to do to everyone's taste, but that is the whole point to styling vehicles, is to do what you want to do, be different, you know, and stand out. He's got the yellow stitching in the seats, so we've added the camo over the yellow, so it's like a black camo with a clear film, so we can use the different colours underneath, done in the yellow, everything then gloss lacquered and fitted back into the vehicle. So that brings us to the end of all of this. We, of course, will give you a last look around the truck at the end, see what you think. Please do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. Trucks, cars, vans, motorbikes, prosthetic limbs. Honestly, we can style anything, so give us a shout. We're a Maxton dealer as well, Maxton Design. We're a Miltech dealer as well, so lots and lots of different options, so do give us a shout. Black Stag Styling. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and we will catch you again soon for another video. We're going to just give you a last look around the truck to finish. Stay safe, see you in the near future, take care.